Assalamu alaikum. Good day everyone. I am Muhammad Dana Aslam. I am excited to introduce you to a simple yet efficient Python-based banking system program. This program allows users to create accounts, log in, and perform basic banking operations like deposits, withdrawals, and balance inquiries. Whether you are new to Python or looking to understand the fundamentals of file handling and user interaction, this program is a great example to explore. Let's dive in and see how it works. This banking system script operates entirely in Python using file handling to simulate a basic bank account management system. This pro- the program allows users to sign up for an account, log in using their account credentials, okay, and perform various transactions such as deposits, withdrawals, and balance check. The data for each account, including the password and balance, is stored in next file named after the account number. This structure keeps the program simple and easy to understand while demonstrating key program concepts. Step 1 is sign up or login. When program starts, users are presented with a menu that allows them to either login, sign up for a new account or exit the program. If user selects the sign up option like this, they will be promoted to create a new account number and password like 001, and I will create a password as 1 2 3 and 4. The program checks if the account number already exists, and if not, it creates new file to store accounts, password and balance. The password is rechecked to confirm that the previous is correct or not, like this. Now my account is successfully created with account number 001, and I am move toward my banking system menu where I could deposit money, withdraw money, check balance and log out. In this I could deposit my money like this, and amount to deposit consider it 1000. Amount deposited successful. Now I could also withdraw my money. Withdraw my money. I would withdraw 500. Amount is withdrawn successfully. The amount will be withdrawn if I have sufficient balance. Now I could check my balance like this. I have my balance remaining 500 rupees, and my last option is log out. I have returned to my login menu. Each operation involves reading and updating the user's account file, ensuring that the balance remains accurate. In conclusion, to summarize, this simple banking system is a practical demonstration of Python's file handling capabilities, loops, and conditional statements, storing account data in text files and allowing users to interact with their account. The program simulates basic banking functionality in straightforward and user-friendly manner. We hope you find this script useful. Thank you.